Hey, what's up guys? This is your appliance plug. At a Cafe 30-inch slide-in front control induction and convection double oven range, particularly model number CHS950P4MW2. This particular model comes with the brushed bronze finish, so you got the brushed bronze knobs and handles, and that's the standard that with the matte white color combination. My opinion, absolutely beautiful. This thing is just, you could see it's a beautiful unit. You do have the option, however, to get this accessory, the knobs and the handle in brushed stainless, brushed black, or brushed copper. So if for whatever reason, whatever you got going on in your kitchen is, not with the gold or the the bronze look, you can go a few other options. Like I said, there's brushed stainless, brushed black, brushed copper looks pretty close, just a different shine. But as I said, I love this color combination. Looks really good. Today I'm going to tell you I'm going to highlight a few of their key features in this particular induction range. Aside from the induction technology, which is in relation to the top, I'm gonna point out a couple of cool things with these elements. We'll start right here on this right side. This is an 11-inch 3700 watt power boil element. This burner, aside from the size, of course, it also can boil a quart of water in 101 seconds. Pretty impressive. Then while we're on this side, you do have two burners up top. These are 6-inch burners. One is just a warming zone, about 100 watts, and then the other is a 6-inch 1800 watt element. And over towards the left, then you have two 8-inch elements that are about 2500 watts each, that also can sink, allowing you a large surface so that you can use like a griddle or your enamel cookware on a larger surface. Very nice technology. This particular top is definitely first-hand, very durable. I personally, very impressed with just the overall, not only the top, but also the performance of all these elements. The other thing I'm going to tell you about is the oven features. You have two completely independent ovens. The top oven is a 2.7 cubic foot capacity on the top oven. What's nice about this, it does have a hidden bake element, as you can see. And then we have the lower oven, which is a 4.3 cubic foot capacity. And that between the two, of course, that gives you a combined 7 cubic foot oven capacity, which is definitely good size, and it's more than enough to be able to have two different dishes going at the same time. The nice thing about the lower oven is it does have a true convection fan. As you can see back there, it's not just a convection fan; it's true convection. So it does have the speed bake as well as the accurate heat circulation capability. The other thing about the convection feature is that it does have a couple of extra cooking modes, being the convection bake as well as convection roast. So very nice space. Definitely more than what's needed in this particular style oven, being that it is a double. So a lot of people wonder, they feel like sometimes having two separate ovens, maybe one's not big enough, but they did do a really nice job making this particular unit, giving it a good distribution, having a smaller top oven maybe for anything small, but then a larger oven where you would have your larger trays or dishes. Finally, the last thing that's pretty neat about this, of course, is it is a Wi-Fi. It's got built-in Wi-Fi, So you can control it from your smartphone, or of course any of your smart devices like Google Home or the Amazon Alexa. For more information on this particular unit, you can visit our site, click the link below, and you can get some more details, a few more features. There's something else that's pretty neat that I didn't really go into, but there's a gourmet guided cooking. One of the things that they talk about when you read a little bit more of the description, and that's pretty neat, but that goes into a lot more detail. But like I said, check it out on our site, or if you want to order yours today, we got them in stock.